Hello everyone, quick handheld video here. This clock just came in and I thought I might show this because I kinda like it. I kinda like these clocks, not because of the sound, because they sound awful, but just out of pure technical standpoint. So this is a clock which has a mechanical speaker basically. So for the chime, you see this on the side, and when you look at the back, it looks like a speaker cone here. And the point, the middle point of the speaker cone, there's a small wire, and that small wire basically is connected to the main body of the chime. So if the hammer hits it, it goes through the main body and then it gets amplified through the cone. If we hit the other one, so yeah, mechanical speaker in a clock. And as you can hear, the sound is kind of like a vibrato, which I don't like at all. But for the the amount of space they have, it does fill a whole room with sound. So to end this video, let's let them strike for one more time. So that was it for this quick video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.